Check hinge alignment by observing the door closed and measuring gap consistency around the perimeter. Start by closing the door and looking for even spacing between the door edge and the jamb from top to bottom and along the latch side. Remove the hinge pins one at a time and let the door rest on its frame to see if the door hangs straight without pin pressure. Visually inspect each hinge leaf for bending, cracks, or loose screws, and feel for any wobble by gently rocking the door at the top and bottom corners. Use a spirit level or laser level along the face of the door and the jamb to confirm vertical plumb and adjustability of the strike plate. If you do not have those tools, a straight ruler held against the surface will reveal gaps. When a hinge leaf is visibly offset, loosen its screws slightly, tap the leaf lightly with a hammer to nudge it into alignment, then retighten the screws while holding the leaf in place. For stubborn misalignment, use a crescent wrench on the hinge pin to rotate and seat the pin, or replace a bent hinge. If the door binds at the top or bottom, consider planing the edge only as a last resort after confirming hinge alignment and hinge mortise depth are correct. Common mistakes include assuming the hinge is fine when screws are loose, which causes shifting and uneven gaps. Tighten or replace screws and use longer screws into the frame for better bite. People often skip removing the hinge pins first and then force adjustments, which can damage the mortise. Remove pins to let the door settle and check alignment before making permanent changes. Another typical issue is using only one measuring method and missing subtle twist. Cross-check with a spirit level, a ruler, and visual gap inspection so you can identify whether the problem is hinge location, hinge leaf deformation, or frame warping and address the specific cause. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like hinge inspection and door adjustment, helping us find local professionals or do-it-yourself guidance. We host a discussion community where our users share experiences, ask questions, and recommend contractors so we can all make better decisions together.